Ever felt like the world of cryptocurrency is a locked box, and you're searching for the right key? You see the headlines, hear the buzz, maybe even have a friend who's making a killing, or at least talking like they are. But when you try to dip your toes in, it's like navigating a maze blindfolded. You're not alone. The sheer complexity, the jargon, the constant volatility, it's enough to make anyone throw their hands up in frustration. But what if I told you there's a platform designed to simplify that journey? A platform that aims to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the exciting world of digital assets? That platform is Gemini. Now, before we dive into the how-to, let's take a step back and understand why Gemini exists in the first place. The cryptocurrency landscape, despite its potential, has been plagued by security concerns, regulatory uncertainty, and frankly, user-unfriendly interfaces. Gemini was founded by the Winklevoss twins, yes, those Winklevoss twins, with a mission to build a regulated and secure platform for buying, selling, and storing digital assets. They aim to create a place where both beginners and experienced traders could feel comfortable and confident. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just hand over your life savings to a random person on the street, right? You'd want to know they're reputable, trustworthy, and have a solid track record. That's the kind of trust Gemini is trying to establish in the crypto space. They've prioritized compliance, security, and user education from the get-go. So, you're intrigued. You're ready to unlock that crypto box. But how do you actually use Gemini? Let's break it down step by step. First, you'll need to create an account. Head over to the Gemini website or download the mobile app. The sign-up process is straightforward, but it's crucial to provide accurate information. Gemini is a regulated exchange, so they need to verify your identity to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. This means you'll likely need to provide documents like your government-issued ID and proof of address. Think of it as setting up a bank account. You wouldn't expect to open one without providing some form of identification, would you? This verification process, while it might seem like a hassle, is essential for ensuring the security and legitimacy of the platform. Once your account is verified, you'll need to fund it. Gemini supports various funding methods, including bank transfers, debit cards, and even wire transfers. The specific options available to you will depend on your location. Choose the method that best suits your needs and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, here's where the fun begins: buying cryptocurrency. Gemini offers a wide range of digital assets, from popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins. You can browse the available options, view real-time prices, and place your orders. Gemini offers different order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. Understanding these order types is crucial for executing your trades effectively. A market order executes your trade at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to specify the price at which you want to buy or sell. A stop order is used to limit potential losses or lock in profits. Imagine you want to buy Bitcoin, but you believe the price will drop slightly before it rises again. You could place a limit order to buy Bitcoin at your desired lower price. If the market reaches that price, your order will be executed. Gemini also provides advanced charting tools and market data to help you make informed trading decisions. You can analyze price trends, identify potential opportunities, and manage your portfolio effectively. But what about security? How do you know your assets are safe on Gemini? This is where their commitment to security really shines. Gemini employs a multi-layered security approach, including cold storage for the majority of its digital assets, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and rigorous internal security protocols. Cold storage means that your cryptocurrency is stored offline, away from the internet, making it virtually impossible for hackers to access. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code from your mobile phone, before you can access your account. Beyond buying and selling, Gemini also offers other features, such as Gemini Earn, which allows you to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. Think of it as a savings account for your digital assets. However, remember that these types of programs come with risk. Another feature is Gemini Pay, which allows you to use your cryptocurrency to pay for goods and services at participating merchants. This is a step towards mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency as a form of payment. Gemini also provides educational resources to help you learn more about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. They offer articles, videos, and tutorials on various topics, from basic concepts to advanced trading strategies. Now, let's talk about fees. Like any exchange, Gemini charges fees for its services. These fees can vary depending on the type of transaction and the volume of your trading activity. It's essential to understand the fee structure before you start trading. Gemini offers different fee structures for its web platform and mobile app. The Active Trader platform, designed for experienced traders, offers lower fees than the standard web and mobile platforms. When you're ready to cash out, you can withdraw your funds to your bank account. The withdrawal process is similar to the funding process, and the time it takes to receive your funds will depend on your bank and the withdrawal method you choose. One of the most important things to remember when using Gemini, or any cryptocurrency exchange, is to practice good security hygiene. Use a strong, unique password for your account, enable 2FA, and be wary of phishing scams. Never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, and Gemini is committed to staying at the forefront of innovation. They are continually adding new features and improving their platform to provide a better user experience. But remember, cryptocurrency is a volatile asset class. Prices can fluctuate dramatically in a short period. It's essential to do your research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Using Gemini, or any crypto platform, is like learning a new language. You'll need to dedicate time and effort to understand the concepts and terminology. But with patience and persistence, you can unlock the potential of this exciting new asset class. Gemini provides a user-friendly platform, robust security features, and a commitment to regulatory compliance. These factors make it a suitable option for both beginners and experienced traders. However, it's crucial to remember that no platform is perfect. You should always do your own research, understand the risks involved, and make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.